Happy birthday na rin!
Happy no pa!
As a dawn is breaking, face to face, that's how it's all.
Madam, I love you.
I try my best to make you see there's hope beyond the veil. If we give it now, if we learn to cry, but all we love and say, so I gotta walk away. But I believe for you and me, the sun will shine one day. So I just play the part and pray of a change of heart. I can see it's true. That's something only love can do.
Yan, yan. Sama lahat. Meron, pwede rin. Ah.
It's actually inside.
Kaso wala ka.
There's one more chance to let this be.
Asan yung picture niya? Ha? Napindot ka? Ito, di ba?
The sun will shine one day, so I'll just play and pray love a change so hard.
Video. Sa ano?
That's something only love can do.
Gusto rin yung pag-ulit ko. Sobrang bait. Okay, okay. Kaya iikot to. Sus! Happy birthday, Marlene. We love you! Sitting here wasted
Bakit
alone.
walang is-still na ba?
It's okay.
Meron. Okay, you're still the
Trying
one.
hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know.
As a bottle of vodka, cigars in my hands.
As I dream of a love
May ka?
with me. Okay. But somebody that keeps its running while we're talking about all those things that I want to believe about love and what you mean to me. And the truth is, baby, you're all that I need. Holy Moses, lay Ayun, yung karaoke niya. Narin, kailan na kayo na niya?
Tapos dito, end of August, wala na kami sa apartment.
Kayo na ba?
End of August lang kami, end of August. Okay? Oo. Ano yung sapatos sa lima? Born for you. Born for you. Ano pa? Ano pa ba? Wala kayo wala silang doon. Ano yung mga kaso ng Top of the World? Mga country first? Yeah, sige. Top of the World. Sabihin. Apartment nila. Ngayon what?
Tagal siya ako inom.
888. Wala pa talaga 888. Ay, dala na yan. One person mo. Please. Yung medyo ano siya. Sway. Kung medyo sway. Yan.
Smooth criminal.
Sway, ano ka na? Kanta mo na, sis. Kaya mo yan. Wala ka na nakikinig yan. Kung lang tayo.
Hindi ko kayo alam eh.
Ayan.
Ay, cancel mo na. Wala na naman mano.
Wala.
Wala na naman.
True the years. True the years. Di ka kuya, true the years.
Kenny Rogers yan.
Okay, so? Ano yan?
Check.
Eh, nasa akin pala kanina, di ba?
Yan ba yan?
Pag lalaki yan.
I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine
Ano pa mga kwenta ng
anything.
Carpenters?
Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years. life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to, I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, and know how much we have, I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, with everything we wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you through the years, and never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years.
Uy, Kim!
Hindi pa ka nag-aaral sa akin. Excited yan.
Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest things I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Asa yung dalawa?
Nakulong na ata yung mga labas. Nag-order ba? Ako nag-washroom. Washroom daw. Ano yan? Wala na bang katal? Ayan na, total!
Ayun.
Kaya mo yan.
Check, check.
Wow!
Hello.
Ba't ang lakas nito?
Hello, hello.
No.
Depende sa song.
Oh.
Piling ko ganyan sa akin.
Umpisa mo na rin. Turn around,
Hindi dapat dalawa yan.
turn around.
Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening.
Do it now, babe.
Get a little bit nervous at the best of all the years in the line. Every now and then I get a little bit
Tawagin yung dalawa.
Sige na, sabahan mo na. Kuya ka na kaya po na baka nakulong kayo
Oh, sige, sige.
saan pupunta or kaya ikaw ah. Ako turn around kuya, ikaw sa ano. Round and
Turn around. Turn around, bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Bright eyes.
Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we only be making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on me all the time. All the time. I don't know what to do and always like the time. We're living in a public thing and giving up sparks. I really need you tonight. Forever gonna start tonight. Forever gonna start. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm falling apart. Nothing I can do
Was no glimpse of the heart.
ikaw na kuya.
Once upon a time there was a sign in my life. There's someone in love in the dark. Glimpse of the heart.
Totally glimpse of the heart.
Ikaw na turn around kuya.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Alam ko mga nagsi-cellphone, nagtitiktok.
Sino?
Sino dalawa? Maganda yung di ba kuya?
Oo.
Kuya,
Just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within. I'm sure that you are an angel in disguise. Come take my hand, together we will rise.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds,
The only way
to fly.
it's on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love. You look at me and I begin to melt, just like a snow when a ray of sun is filled. I'm crazy about you, baby, can't you see? I'd be so delighted if you would come with me. On the wings of love, nothing about the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high. Flying high upon the wings of love.
Yes, you belong to me. I'm your exclusive.
Simply,
Right now,
we live and breathe each other. the wings of love, only the two of us together flying high.
Yan lang.
Ay,
On the wings of love, open above the clouds, the only way to fly.
Yan yata yung beef. Mga frozen, ano lang naman yata. Diba?
big.
Oo.
Open the two of us together.
Isa lang ang toothpick, kuya.
Hindi, marami. Kanya-kanya.
So
Oy, saan na kayo? May mga people. Birthday ba natin kung yung dalawa? Tayo si surprise.
Baka may surprise pa sila.
I know. Ano kayo? Magpipicture at magtitikto?
Such a feeling's coming over me that I was wondering what's everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, get the sun in mine, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming to especially for me, and the reason is clear. It's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I wonder how far the world looking. How pleasing the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. Solo po, solo. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's feeling me the things are not the same. Summer breeze and the stars so free. There's a blessing sense of happening for me. There's
Yan yung iba yung blessing. Yan yung beef.
when this day is too long, I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. Stop on the world looking.
down on creation, and the only explanation can find
It's the love that I found.
resistant to the run. Your love put me at the top
Of the world.
on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation.
Oo, nandito tayo.
Your love put me.
Bumasok ka ba? Oo, bumasok ka yung beef. Ano ka di siya mag-washroom eh? Grabe pati. Wala silang libreng candle.
Oh,
Kailangan
bili
bibili mo pa
pa.
yung candle. Oo. Hindi ka na.
Gusto niyo mag-join na
Ito
dito
ka.
ka?
Slow na natin to.
Oo, gusto niyo mag-join?
Ate, gusto ko.
Ano yan? Yung pizza ko lang ito. Sumasayaw-sayaw na siya ganito. Eh, parang meron sila dito Francis Carbon. Tanungin ko ano sa natin.
Pwede ba ditong lighter?
Like weekdays, weekdays.
Lighter ka?
Basta ako. Uy, sa akin ba
Hindi ko naninigarilyo.
Pwede mag-hirap.
Ano yan? Inordoro niya lang?
Ano yung
Big,
flavor
big.
yan?
Big. Kuha ka na isang toothpaste.
Shake. Okay lang. Chocolate yan?
Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake.
Ano?
Yeah, di ba?
Ano nagtayo dito?
akin naman.
Sabi ako tawanan ka. Nakapapasok bukas. Silang pasok nila. Oy, ala, parang mayroon bukas. Walang PPC.
Hey, mga pusang na lang sumasayaw.
Busy sila, kuya.
Come on, tusaw.
Woo! Tusaw? Okay. Kaya na, tusaw. Tunor!
Tunor, tunor.
Go, Tunor!
Come on, face out, face out, face out.
Mains out!
Ah! Come on, Gaynor.
Tusaw! Tusaw! Yeah!
Pagkakita ko na mo. Come on, face out.
Mains out!
Ang haba ng music na yan. Pero maganda, maganda. Maganda.
Kulang yung gabi, yung bra. Nahuhulog niyo, oh. Saluhin mo, kuya, ang gawin. Alam ko malaki yan.
Wala, hindi makahulog yan. Meron dito eh.
Oo, meron dito eh. Kuya, lulusot mo. Paano ito ba siya ng sabay ka kapayas? Lulusot na eh. Mukha pa kaya kung pinakapagkatutunaw na.
Hindi ako na, tama na sa akin. Membro ako ng media, anak na ito. Membro ako ng media. Media, media. Ito na, 3 minutes.
Sa kaming dagat ko sa'yo namin. Mabago naman ganyan.
Ay, ikaw naman. Yan, yan, yan. Mahulog yan, mahulog yan.
Ay, hindi. May papanigas dito. Hindi na mahulog. Meron na lang sa counter.
Gusto niyo may bago?
Kaya meron na isa. Sa church ka na, kuya. $30 daw yan.
Na!
dalawang charger na ng Type-C ang saksakan. Pero charger natin dito, 18 months warranty.
Magkano?
Fast charging.
Magkano?
$49.99, $39.99 na lang o $29.99.
Yung-
Dalawa, mahaba, 1.8 meter.
Ate,
Kasi alam mo, mag-charge ko lang ng
Yung
an
anchor
hour
lang
and a
is-
half or 45 minutes.
matagal.
For charge na.
Pero tatagal yung battery.
18 months warranty na charger.
Anchor siya, yung anchor.
Hindi, pag
Yeah.
kinarge mo, yung phone mo, tatagal pa ng ilang days.
What do you mean that?
Di ba na-charge na siya? Di ba na-charge
Depende
na
sa
siya?
gamit mo.
Oh.
No, fast charging yung charger.
Yung sinasabi niya,
Ang
fast
sinabi ko,
charging.
fast charging yung
Fast.
charger. Di ba may mga binibili tayo ng charger sa kung saan saan?
Oo, pero
Tapos dito sa atin, meron nabibili sa Apple.
Yung
di ba?
sa akin sa Samsung, fast charging yun.
Isa lang yun. Sa kanila dalawa asking mahaba pa, kaso bawal sa car. Kasi USB type sa atin, di ba? Yung Type-C. Pero meron na siyang ulo.
Oh, maganda.
Na pang-plug-in. Kung walang ulo, mag-help kayo. Na meron,
Huwag
dalawa
kang
na.
bumili ng walang ulo.
Naka-sale! Naka-sale.
Oh, Type-C ate. Pwede.
Tingnan ko kung magagas ako bukas. Kaya nga gusto niyo magpabili. Mabili ako ng isa. Ayaw gusto niyo magpabili. Kung naka-sale, fast charging. Ay, dalawa na yun.
Isa tayo.
Ay, Diyos ko. Parang ang $29.99 lang eh. 18 months na lang. No, pag nasira within 18 months na. Hindi naman yung nasira.
Meron na ako.
Wala na siring akin.
Okay na lang kung bibili
Fast
ako.
charging yung sa akin, kaso lang nasira na...
Kasi alam mo ba, Putragis, bumili ako sa Dalarama.
Kasi yun?
Oo, nagmamadali kasi kami noon. Yung tumingin kami ng bahay na lobat yung phone ko. Instead na magano, ay kinukuha yung battery ko. Hindi nagcha-charge.
Hindi pwede sa ulit.
Dinidrain yung battery ko.
Hindi pwede na ulit. Hindi pwede sa ulit. Magkano bili mo?
$4.99.
Oo, kasi...
$4.99. Oo.
Kaya pala.
Yeah, okay lang.
Bigyan na yan siya. Pero pang ano lang yan, pang emergency.
Oh, sige na, play mo na si Steph.
Play na.
Play na. Tara na, baka... Ayaw.
Hindi kasi, na-try ko na.
Tingnan nga natin
Which is,
yung isa.
kayo,
DJ
na-try ko
Sumi.
na.
Sige ako.
Kabila ko na.
Parang may pumasok sa steady.
Ano yan?
Ay! Live feed. Naka-live feed.
Hindi pa rin nag-icing na nakapunta.
Ako nga lang dyan. Yung sa icing na pala
Parang takbo. Lingansya ko to. Lingansya nila. Kasama na lahat ng lingansya. Nagtatlo, nagpatansya ka.
Guitar.
Di ba yung ano ko is highlight. Tapos tumubo na yung mga puti ko. Pinatouch up ko. Ang touch up 45. Tapos yung ko 25. Tapos, sinansya pa, diba? Kung sinansya ko na
Nung nag-birthday siya, 2 beses.
Sa ganito.
Oo, ganito. Di ba, ang ano doon eh, 10,000, 5,000.
Parang ganito rin.
Yeah. Ang kinuha niya 2 beses, 10,000. Yung mga kaklase namin.
Kasama ka.
Hindi ah, andito na ako. Ang birthday niya April.
April ano, kuya?
April 15 yata.
Ganda. Ganda. Hindi na rin yung kulay. Namin.
Yan yung ano ko, Victoria Day. Victoria Day.
Blank space.
Kanta na kayo, uwi na ako, kuya ha. 11.
Uwi na tayo. Sabi ko sa ano, alis na tayo.
11. Tayo.
Yeah.
Alis na tayo. Kanta na kayo, uwi na kayo. Kanta na kayo. Ano yan?
Para sabay-sabay na tayo.
Makanta na lang kayo. Mag-i-edit na lang ang picture natin. Kasi iniwanan na kayo. Pinatayo.
Ano ba?
Sa basement, ganito ang papalagay namin.
Yan.
Yeah.
200 consumer.
Love, I need some love. It's like a dream. Okay, I'm not asleep.
I never want to wake up. Don't leave it. So go on.
Come on, make me breathless. It's me.
Till I get denied loving feeling. Baby, love for your kiss. Go on. Yeah, come on.
Desiree, maganda yung ginagawa mo. Para ka dancer talaga. Hindi, nakatalikod ka naman eh. Nakatalikod.
I'm losing to try it. Can't hide it. So go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tease me till I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Thank you. 22.
Happy birthday, Pangyaw!
Sweet 16 Pangyaw.
Happy birthday. 16. Ay, kuya.
You make me live again.
That's your song. That's your
Domo,
song.
arigatou gozaimashita.
Your song.
Thank you very much in Japanese. Sacho!
Sacho.
Boss, Japan.
Asa, sina?
Domo, arigatou gozaimashita.
Oh my goodness.
Gozaimasen.
Ano ba yan?
You took my mind. I was astray. You should be the way. And now I finally found my home in you.
Naka na may dancer ka pa, kuya, ha?
Sabay naman
Until someday
Jessica, kinta.
Baka maanong.
Paano na po?
you give me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. Alright.
Woo!
I was lost in the dark. Eagles
Oh!
in my lonely road.
Ito pala mas magandang ano eh. Side eh. Oh.
You were always there to lend a helping hand. When good friends were hard to find. When things were wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me again.
Woo!
I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Shout out!
Shout out!
No,
Yeah.
Yes, again.
Ikot, ikot! Ikot, ikot!
On my feet again.
Woo!
I'm not afraid to face the world again. 'Cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again.
Woo!
You
Mawawala.
made me live again. Alright, the song was to Madam. Yay, Madam Banji. I love you.
Nice!